Hi guys, welcome to TechRoom channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to block a YouTube channel. So let's go to YouTube first. Then choose the channel you want to block, like this one. Okay, now scroll down and you will find here three dot icon. Click on this. No, sorry, not three dot. Click on the channel name. Then you'll find here this arrow option. Click on this again and you'll find about. Go to about. Then what you're gonna do is you'll find here an flag. Click on this flag. Then you'll find here hide user from my channel. Click on this, and here it is the confirmation for the last asking. Hide existing and future comments from this user on my channel. Click on submit. Now you have successfully blocked this YouTube channel. Submit just, that's okay. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.